Hello again and welcome to TotallyRandom. So today we have a Dongchang top security padlock. Claims to have a stainless steel ball bearing, hardened steel shackle and a hardened lock shaft cover and some cartoons on the back with a very happy and unhappy lock. So let's get to picking it. Alright, I'll see that we have no keys yet. Firstly, I've chosen a rake because I just want to get this done quickly. And I need a small attention tool. I've tried to fix this actually, it might be a better idea to go in with something and have a feel first. You can hear the false setting. If you're wondering why my fingernails black, I slammed it in a tailgate about 3 weeks ago. It's rather unpleasant. I've been asked how it's so easy to rake a lock full of security pins. Now this is a $5 lock. So I assumed we know what that means. It may be easy to open. But at 3 minutes, I still haven't got the fucking thing open. Really just bitch picking it, but anyway. I've got no feel for it. The reason why I've got it in my hand is because in the vice there's even less feel open at 350. Jesus Christ. Doesn't exist, but nonetheless. Okay, I did have an M made to see if it was shimmerable, but really, you saw what a bodgy job I did of raking that open, and it opened, so you get what you pay for. That's what $5 will get you. My friend the Abus Alloy, $70. Still can't open it. Correction, Asa Abloy, Lockwood. As far as this Ingersoll goes, I've almost fully printed a key. They're not there. So I've got an STL file for that, so I'm going to add a bit of foil to that and see if I can get this sucker open that way. Anyway, thanks for watching.